Hey, all you day traders! Welcome back. So today is Friday, one of my favorite days this day, and Monday. I've said it 100 times now, don't need to repeat it. But we are Friday the 8th of May. So gonna give you a recap of what went on. There's no video for Thursday. All those positions I held overnight. I was down like $1,000 yesterday, but my stop loss is held in place, so I did keep them overnight. And one of the things as a commodity trader that you need to remember is that there's going to be increased margins when holding overnight. So if you're trading something like gold and you have a discount broker and it's discounted to only $1,000 margin, well, overnight that increases to $5,000. So you need to make sure that you're trading an appropriate amount for your account to be able to cover an overnight position if you get into something like me. Because you don't want to be paying the extra commissions nor missing out on the morning, ups or downs sometimes that can happen because there's some really good profit in it. And let me show you what I did.
And here we go.
$700 profit, much better than $1,000 loss. So pulled ahead about $1,700. Took a small loss on cocoa. It did go down though. So when it went down in the early morning, I did take out the position because I didn't feel too confident in it because it wasn't turning around kind of in the timeline that I had wanted. So cotton was the big winner, still winning, and doing good on that one. Oh wait, that was cocoa. So anyways, cotton, there we go. Big winner. Not so big of a winner. I think I lost $160 on that one. Made some good money on this one, over 1,000. And of course made back all the money that I had lost yesterday for a grand profit of $700 on the trades. Everything else I'm just kind of watching. Cattle I made the wrong call on. If you remember, I made some good money the other day on it, and I kind of had thought that it was going to come back down into here. I was hoping to buy it at $93 a pound, and of course it went up there and I would have made an extra $2,000. So now, waiting for it to draw down, fill in this gap somewhere right around that $95 again, and I will buy back in. Crude oil, no idea. If you have an idea on crude oil, please leave a comment below. If you trade that, I would love to know. I would love to learn how to trade oil because of the high volume. You could probably get in and out of it. Cocoa unfortunately doesn't have that high of a volume, so there's a limit to how much money I can invest in it. So it is always an issue. All right, so the main question of the week, how much money did I make? So last week was in loss. We're gonna have a summary next week of the whole entire month. And again, this is the trading challenge on a $10,000 account. Still doing that. I did set up the account already. Another account with only $2,000 in it. And kind of didn't think about it that it might take away time from trading the other accounts that are much larger. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to do that one or not, but stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, because I will be over the next year trading different size accounts all the way up into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, so you can see some of my professional accounts that I manage for other people and see what kind of money they're making, because it is a lot. So this year already, I think I'm up about 700%, so doing very good. Corona was okay to be trading in, but now it seems to be lagging. I mean, if you're a trader too, leave your comments below. It seems like an illogical market right now that isn't really supported by anything else other than government bailouts. And I don't think anyone knows where to put their money. So trading is gone ballistic. This morning at 8 in the morning, I got out of all my positions and I don't even want to look at the thing anymore. I've just had it. This week and last week has been horrible. So how did I do? Well, let me tell you, $3,225 profit. Pays back for last week, but I'm still not doing the average that I normally do. So we are seeing kind of narrow channels being played in each market, and a market that's not reacting the way that I think. So obviously I'm not on the right side and not tuning it in properly, but it is a good profit for this week. I'm just ticked off about last week, and stay tuned for that video the end of the month where we'll do a 4-week recap of per week how much money it is on a $10,000 account, so you get a good idea. So now off of that $3,225 I made, I did get $182.12 worth of commissions, which is a little bit lower than last week because I did do less trading, which is a very good thing as a day trader. Don't overtrade. You know, you're not a high-speed trader. You don't have the computers going for that, so you got to be smart and hold your trades long enough to make the profit. Yeah, so $3,225, roughly related into my language and my country, about $4,000, I think, maybe a little bit better than 4 grand Canadian, since our currency isn't so strong right now. But that's the summary for the week. Enjoy your weekend, because I will. It's going to be nice and sunny here. And make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, really helps me out on the analytics side. And we will be trading next week, so stay tuned. Hope you made a lot of money this week.